Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, debenture is a loan taken by company which is to be repaid in future. Repayment of this loan debenture is called as redemption of debenture. Company can redeem debentures at par, at premium, or even at discount. In this question, we are going to understand issue of debentures of all types in relation to redemption. Amar Limited issued 1,005% debentures of rupees 100 each. This is nominal value, repayable at the end of 10th year. Pass journal entries in the books of Amar Limited, presuming that they were issued at 5% discount and repayable at par. They were issued at par and repayable at a premium of 4%. They were issued at 5% discount and repayable at 4% premium. They were issued at 5% premium and repayable at par. Amar Limited issued 1,005% debenture of rupees 100 each, repayable at the end of 10th year. First situation is they were issued at 5% discount and repayable at par. Bank account debit 95,000, discount on debenture account debit 5,000 to 5% debenture account 1 lakh, being 1,000 5% debentures of rupees 100 issued at 5% discount and redeemable at par. As debentures are redeemable at par, this will be the entry which shows that at the time of issue of debenture we have given discount 5% on nominal value, that is rupees 5,000. They were issued at par and repayable at a premium of 4%. Here 1,000 debentures are issued. 4% means on this 100 rupees 4%, that is 4 rupees. So amount of premium payable on redemption is 4,000. This premium on redemption rupees 4,000 is a loss for the company. Bank account debit on 1,000 debentures, company has received 100 rupees per debenture, 1 lakh. Loss on issue of debenture debit, that is 4% premium payable on redemption, 4,000. To 5% debenture, 1 lakh. To premium on redemption of debenture, 4,000. Being 1,000, 5% debentures of rupees 100 each issued at par and redeemable at premium of 4%. They were issued at 5% discount and repayable at 4% premium. Bank account debit 95,000, that is after discount on each debenture, company has received 95 rupees. Discount on debenture, 1,000 debenture, per debenture 5 rupees discount, 5,000. Loss on issue of debenture, that is premium on redemption, 4%, 4 rupees per debenture, 4,000. To 5% debenture, 1 lakh. To premium on redemption, 4,000. Being 1,000, 5% debentures issued at 5% discount and repayable at 4% premium. They are issued at 5% premium and repayable at par. Here at the time of issue we have charged 5% premium, but at the time of redemption we will be paying at par. bank account debit 1,05,000 to 5% debenture account 1 lakh to securities premium account 5,000, being 1,000 5% debentures issued at 5% premium and repayable at par. Here we have completed journal entries in all 4 alternative situations. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.